Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need Clan Dojo access and edit permission. Once you confirm that, fast travel to the simulacrum or training room. You should already have a test loadout ready so you can immediately check changes. Once in, walk to the room entry and open the interaction panel. This is where you start adjusting spawn options or room layout. Make sure you tell teammates you're changing settings if others use the room. Start the process now so you don't waste time on unnecessary setup steps. Once inside the simulacrum, open the interaction console and choose enemy faction, level range, and spawn count. This controls the challenge you'll face. You can load or save presets to reproduce tests quickly and add specific waypoints or target drones for consistent aim drills. If you need a different room shape or obstacles, exit to Dojo build mode, change walls or props, then re-enter the simulacrum to validate sightlines and cover. Make sure to test each change so you understand its effect. Finish by running a complete test run. Spawn enemies, use abilities, and check weapon behavior to confirm the room behaves as intended. Once satisfied, save your simulacrum preset or Dojo room blueprint so you can quickly revert or replicate changes later. If something goes wrong, like missing props or settings not applying, try leaving the dojo and re-entering, clear temporary cache, or ask a clan officer to restore a room backup. These steps usually resolve synchronization issues and let you continue without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.